Alright guys, this is already done. So in the middle of the way I found out I chose the wrong tone pot, so I switched it to the push-push. It was a push-pull, which is a little bit less comfortable. So this is a push-push, so it's very easy. If you see, plug it in. This is the regular situation. When you plug it out, you have the combination. If you put it on neck pickup, you're gonna have neck and the bridge. If you put it on the second combination, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 all pickups at the same time. So this way you add 2 more sounds to your Strat without any major operation, and it's just as any other pot size. This is a 500K because this guitar has Fender noiseless and they come with 500K pots. Okay, so this is the neck and the bridge combination.